Welcome to my video, The Benefits of Using Private Label Rights Content. This is a Resell Rights Vault video. In this video I will reveal how you can get products you can sell as your own. One of the most popular questions circulating the internet industry today is how private label rights content can help build traffic. And if you know the answer to this question as well as the benefits, you may find out that your site is more successful than you ever thought possible. Private label rights content can be legally edited after you purchase the rights. This means that you can do whatever you want with the articles, it is up to you to make the work. Listed below are a few reasons on why you should use private label rights content, as well as how it can benefit your site. 1. By using private label rights content you will save yourself a lot of time over the course of a month. Think about, how long would it take you to write a high-quality article? An hour, maybe longer. Instead of tying up all of your time writing new content, you can simply use private label rights content. This way you can post new content to your site on a monthly basis in no time at all. 2. When you use private label rights content you can avoid outbound links that are included with other articles. This way you can make your content look much cleaner, while also having the ability to add links that you are interested in. 3. You can edit private label rights articles in whichever way you would like. This means that you can complete edits, or add and subtract as much information as you would like. Remember, you own the articles so you can do whatever you want to them. 4. You can take credit as the writer of the article. By doing this you will be able to establish yourself as an expert in your industry. This alone will go a long way in garnering new clients, which will in turn increase your profits. 5. When you buy private label rights content, you are buying articles that you written by professionals. This means that you never have to worry about the content being inaccurate, or poorly written. If you are not a great writer yourself, this is reason enough to use private label rights content. 6. Buying private label rights content means that you are going to get several articles related to the same subject. This makes things much easier because you will be able to build your site with your interest in mind, and then find private label rights content that adheres to those guidelines. These are just some of the benefits that go along with using private label rights content. If you are not sure if private label rights content are right for you, why not give it a shot? It will only cost you a few dollars, and it may end up making you much more than that. Consider it an investment in your company. You may be surprised at how well private label rights content will work for your website. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please take a moment and leave a comment. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Hit the bell to be notified. Check out the description below for information on how to get over 800 master resell rights products right now.